Hello, I am Sheriff Hasic. I'm the new player from PSV Makassar. I come from Bosnia and Herzegovina. It's the first time that I come in Indonesia, and I'm proud to be here. It's a very nice land and very nice people. All what I can say, I'm here with a new team, and I can say that I give all for me to the team, and I give my best for best result.
Themselves rushing.
He knew exactly what was going to happen next. Turns back to the ref.